Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to episode 18.5 of the How to Make a Bouncer Zombie style of game in Unity. And in today's episode, it will be all about making the main menu. It's going to be a very short video, and in the next episode we are actually going to look how to beautify the main menu with animations and colors. But in this video today we are only going to make the main menu function and bring us back in here. So let's get started. First thing, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. So first thing, we'll just create a new empty scene. It's a basic 2D built-in and create, and let's just save this into the scenes folder and call this one the main menu. Alright, scenes, main menu, here. And now what we are going to do is we'll take the camera and have it display a black background, and then we'll create a UI image and have it take the whole screen viewpoint. So the method I use to make that is when you click on here, long press and Alt, and you can see that it changes the sprites here. So then you just select this one. And now let's just see that I have a main menu sprite that I've just screenshotted. Let's just use this here. As you can see, let's just also tick preserve aspect, and as you can see we have our main menu. I went ahead and edited it so we can add a name here. Alright, so let's just rename this to background, save that, and then here right click, UI, text mesh pro. Let's just call this name placeholder. Alright, let's just rename it to placeholder, and then let's just double click on this and have it be here, and then let's just ensure that it's well in this here, and use the anchors point to put it in the constraint here, and let's zoom in to ensure that it fits. Great. Here a little bit here. Great. Now here let's just have it in the middle, and let's just decrease the font size to about here, and then let's just choose a color that looks good. We can go here, this is a nice color, and let's just write username here. So this will be modifying it in the next episode. We could also just use auto size, and then we can just have a small padding here of 2 and 2, or like 5 perhaps, and then 5, and then just decrease this to about 20, and this is to about 10. Yeah, I think that's good. Yep, I think this is good. Now let's just create a new UI image, and let's just overlay it here on top of this button here. As you can see, it's here. Okay, and let's just add a button to it. Try to actually have it match the rotation and the sizing well enough, like so. Let's just remove all the opacity of it and add the button component, and then let's just anchor it to about here. Save that, and let's just create a new script. Let's just call it scene switcher. double click to open Visual Studio, and in here let's just do public void switch screen, and here I'll just do serialized field int. Let's just call this one let's say game scene index. In future episodes we will be looking at how we can make this system a little bit more robust, but for this episode this should be enough. Here we can just have feed in integer index, and then we'll just do scene manager dot load scene and pass in index. Okay, and public void go to game. In here we can just do switch screen and then just pass in the game scene index. Alright, and I just create a script here, call it scene manager, save that and drag the scene manager script here, scene switcher script, save it. Let's open file, build profiles, and in here let's just go to scene list and add open scene, and then we'll drag and drop sample scene to be position 1 and just save that. And before we proceed, let's just open the scenes folder and rename, which one was it? Okay, so it's sample scene 1. Okay, let's rename this as the game scene. Open build profiles again. Let's just remove this one here and add the game scene here. Let's just close it and head back to the main menu, and then select this button. So let's call it adventure button, save that, click on add, drag and drop scene manager, no function, scene switcher, here go to game, save and play. And now if we click that, as you can see, we get redirected to this scene. And before we end this episode, let me just do a small delay, so this will be helpful when we actually add animations later on. So what I want here is, you did not actually see that, okay, sorry. So what I did right now is I just went to file, build profiles, and then under scene list I click on add open scene, and then I've got main menu. Okay, I just drag and drop the main menu to be position 0, and then I went to scenes, and there was a scene that was named sample scene 1. I renamed this one to game scene, and then went back to build profiles and I added game scene as well. Back click on add open scenes, and then switch back to main menu. I created the scene manager, added the scene switcher script, and then in the adventure button I clicked on add, dragged and dropped scene manager here, and then just selected the go to game function here. That's all that I've done. And if we play it, we can see that it works. Yes, so that's it. And now let's just do a small delay. So when you click the button, we've got some time to actually see the animation before actually proceeding. And let's just go to Visual Studio, and here let's just do an eye enumerator, call it scene switch timer, here int index, and in here we'll do year return a new, wait 4 seconds, and let's just create a new variable called wait timer, copy this and let's just go here, public float wait timer equals to 2 seconds, and in here we'll cut this, paste this here, index here, we'll do start coroutine, or yeah, let's just, you know what, let's just have it here again. Let's just copy this, paste it here, and instead let's just have it here as start coroutine, and let's just pass in scene switcher timer and pass in index, and let's just create a boolean value as well. Bool is switching, and in here we'll do if is switching, we'll just return here itself, as we'll just put that as true, and then before switching scenes put this as false, and game scene here, and that's it. This is basically so that if I continuously click on the same button, it doesn't do this a lot. Ooh. Here, save that, and let's head back to Unity, and this is true. And now if we actually hit play, we click, it waits, and then after 2 seconds it joins. Great. So that's it for today's episode. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and if you've got any questions, queries, or anything you want to add or ask, feel free to do so in the comment below, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.